Today I'm going to be showing you the best tips and tricks for the AirPods Pro. This is the complete list of the best tips, tricks, and even some hidden features that are going to allow you to use your AirPods Pro like an expert. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video, the best tips and tricks for the AirPods Pro. Apple did a great job designing the AirPod Pros and made sure that we'd still have a great experience even when we're using just one of our headphones at a time. But there's a few quick tips that are important to note about using just one of your AirPods at a time. So the first one is make sure you put the non-active headphone that you're not using back in its case. Not only is it going to charge that headphone, but it's also going to give you an optimal listening experience for the one headphone you are using. Secondly, we're now able to use the noise transparency and noise cancellation modes even when you're just using one headphone at a time. But to be able to do this, you need to go into your settings application and then open up the accessibility tab, scroll down to this AirPods tab and open that up. Check off your AirPods Pro. Then all you need to do is turn on noise cancellation for one AirPod. Again, now when you're using just one of your headphones at a time, you can still turn on noise cancellation or noise transparency mode, which I've found to be great, especially when you're making phone calls or even when you're just listening to music and you want to block off some of that surrounding sound. There's a few great things we can do right on our AirPods Pro while they're in our ear. So instead of tapping on our AirPods like we used to do with the older generations, there's actually a sensor right here that we're going to squeeze because it works just like a button. It's able to pick up on any pressure that you apply to this part of the headphone. Right here, you'll notice there's a little indent right there. So it's not actually a button, but it works just the same. So the way this works is while your headphones are in your ear, if you press right here once, it's going to play or pause a track. If you press down on it twice, it's going to skip you forward one track. And then if you triple press, it's going to take you back a track. The other thing you can use your headphones for is if you press and hold for a second, it's going to toggle you between noise transparency mode and then the amazing noise cancellation. So again, just a longer press is going to switch you in and out of noise transparency and noise cancellation. We can actually customize the amount of time it takes our AirPods Pro to pick up on each time we're pressing and then pressing and hold for those different automations I just showed you. So to do this, we go to the settings application, then down to accessibility, then go to the AirPods tab, check off your AirPods Pro, and then right here, we can customize the press speed and the press and hold durations. We have the option of default, slower, and slowest. And then for press and hold duration, we have default, shorter, and shortest. If you ever feel like your AirPods are incorrectly picking up on the automations you're trying to run, then try experimenting with these different press speeds and press and hold durations. You may have noticed that there's no way for us to adjust the volume right on our headphones. But there's still a way to do this without having to pull out your phone to make any adjustments, and that's by using Siri. So you can ask Siri to either increase or decrease your volume, and it will make that adjustment for you. Now, to be able to do this completely hands-free, you need to go and set up Hey Siri. So every time you use that verbal command, Siri will be activated, and you'll be able to ask it to increase or decrease your volume without ever having to take out your phone or use an Apple Watch or anything like that. There's another amazing AirPod Pro feature that's accessible right from your control center, and that is Live Listen. What Live Listen does is it turns your iPhone into a microphone that will automatically transmit any audio your phone picks up right to your AirPods Pro. All you need to do to enable it is just check where that off button is, and it's automatically going to turn your phone into that microphone and start transmitting all of the audio right to your AirPods Pro. Live Listen is actually not a default feature of our control center, so we need to go in and add this manually. It is incredibly easy. Let me show you how. So just open up your settings application and then scroll down to control center. Then you'll see all of your included controls right here. To add in Live Listen, go to More Controls, and then just find where it says Hearing. Click that green plus icon. Now it'll be in your included controls, and you can leave the settings tab, and just like that, live listen is going to be added right to your control center for easy access. I want to take a quick break from our video to invite you to join this incredible application that's giving out millions of cash prizes just for answering quick and easy surveys. So if you want to start earning real cash today just by taking these simple surveys, use the link in our description or go to bit.ly/getquickthoughts. That's bit.ly/getquickthoughts. Now, using this link is going to help support our channel, but more importantly, it's going to make sure that you get access to their best surveys that pay out the greatest rewards. Now, using that link is going to take you directly to the App Store. And if you look down here, you can see just some examples of the incredible, easy and simple surveys that are paying out real cash rewards. So go ahead, download QuickThoughts, and then on the bottom left corner, click sign up. And it's a really fast and easy process to get signed up for QuickThoughts. And then right away, you're going to be able to start answering these surveys and being rewarded with real cash rewards. So again, the link's down in the description, or go to bit.ly/getquickthoughts to start earning real cash for taking easy surveys today. Our AirPod Pros come with a variety of ear tip sizes to choose from, and it can be a bit difficult picking the perfect size for your ear shape. So that's why I'm going to show you how you can run an ear tip fit test. So to do this, make sure that you're actively connected to your AirPods, then go to your settings application, go to Bluetooth, find your AirPod Pros, and then click that blue eye. From here, this is where we can access the ear tip fit test. So for the best acoustic performance, your AirPods ear tips should create a complete seal when placed in your ears. This is going to improve the audio quality and the noise cancellation function. So just click this continue button, place both of your AirPod Pros in your ears, and then just run the test. It's that simple, and your phone is going to tell you if they're a great fit or if you should try out one of the other sizes. Now, I know this may sound too obvious to even go over. However, unlike the older AirPod models, the AirPods Pro actually have a special way that they're supposed to come out of their case. So instead of trying to just grab them from the top, which can be a bit difficult to get a grip on, the way they were designed to come out of their case is you take one finger and place it behind each headphone and then just push it towards you. You'll see they swivel right out, and it is by far the easiest way to take our AirPods Pro out of their case. I want to take just a really quick break from our video to invite you to join our free email newsletter, AppFind VIP. This is where we send out the best mobile apps and mobile games directly to your email inbox. To get signed up, all you need to do is go to appfindvip.com. The link's on screen and down in the description. And from there, just enter your name, email address, and then you get to decide what types of emails you want to receive from us. Choose from receiving the best mobile apps or the best mobile games, or if you just want to be a part of our AppFind giveaways, that's fine too. Just check off that third option. Because every single month, we run AppFind giveaways where we give away incredible prizes like Apple and Google Play gift cards, and you're automatically going to be entered into those giveaways just for being a part of our email newsletter. So again, go to appfindvip.com. The link's on the screen and down in the description. We can't wait to have you inside. I hope you enjoyed today's video. These were the best tips and tricks for the AirPods Pro. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to give it a like and to subscribe to our channel for more great content coming out soon. Also, let me know down in the comments what your favorite AirPods Pro feature is. And if you haven't already, make sure you go and get signed up for AppFind VIP. You can use the link down in the description or just go to appfindvip.com, enter your name, email, and then let us know what types of emails you want to receive from us so you can start receiving the best mobile apps and mobile games directly to your email inbox. Make sure when signing up, you check off that third option because it's gonna automatically enter you into our monthly AppFind VIP giveaways where we give out incredible prizes like Google Play and Apple gift cards to members of our AppFind community. All you need to do is get signed up for our free email newsletter, AppFind VIP. So just go down to the link in the description or go to appfindvip.com. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.